Hello, in this tutorial, I will teach you how to activate Wisely card. So please watch to the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you want to create an account on Wisely, you can use the link in the description and you may get discount and rewards upon signing up. So without further ado, let's get started. So right here on the Wisely web page, what I'm going to do is by clicking this activate card right here, and after that I will be redirected to this page where I just need to input my card information. So the 16-digit code in my Wisely card, I can just input it right here, and also its expiration date. So after I input all of this one, I can just click continue, and after that I just need to do some little verification, and after that that's it. That's how you can activate your Wisely card. Or if this method somehow does not work for you, you can always contact the Wisely customer service on their page. So just go to Wisely contact page and just contact their email or the numbers that they provided, and just ask, or you can just ask assistance in activating your Wisely card. And yeah, that's it. That's how you can do it. And also that's it for this tutorial. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one. Bye.